To make a new payment with TransferMate, first sign into your TransferMate account by clicking the Sign In button. To make a new payment, choose Make a New Payment on the home page. On the Make a Payment page, you can choose a source of funds for this payment. You can select from either a TransferMate global account balance or your own bank account, the details of which you've already added. In our example, we've chosen a USD bank account. You then decide how you're sending funds to TransferMate. Depending on how your bank account has been set up, you can choose between reverse wire, direct debit, or initiating a transfer from your account. You then decide between manually adding payment details or uploading a file with multiple payment details. In this example, we've chosen manual entry, and the file upload process is demonstrated in another video. As you manually add your payment details, you are shown a list of all your existing beneficiaries. Add the payment details for each beneficiary you wish to pay. Details include the amount, currency, payment type, reason for payment, and any payment reference. When adding the account, you have the option of target currency, the currency you wish to send, or source currency, the currency you wish to pay at TransferMate. Once you've added all the details for the beneficiaries you wish to pay, click Next, and you will be shown a payment summary. If these confirmed details are correct, click Continue to authorize payment. On the following page, you are shown the payment details, including the amount you need to pay and a live FX rate that refreshes every 90 seconds. The payment status is shown as Awaiting Authorization. Once you are happy to proceed, tick the box for the payment and you will be shown the total amount to pay. Please read the fraud warning, and when you're ready to confirm the booking, check the box confirming you have the authority to make this payment by clicking the Authorize button. You have now authorized the payment. On the next page, you will be shown the details for the transfer, finalizing the payment. The payment status is now Awaiting Funds. Here you will see the total amount you need to transfer and the details for the TransferMate bank account to which you need to transfer the funds. Please ensure to include the reference number with your transfer. If TransferMate does not receive these funds within 2 business days of the booking, the payment will be cancelled. If you selected a global account as the source of the funds at the beginning of the payment process and the account has sufficient funds for the payment, funds will be withdrawn automatically from your account. Once you have transferred the required funds, TransferMate will send them to your beneficiary. The status will change to Paid and the payment process will be complete. If you have any questions about the TransferMate platform, get in touch through the Contact Us page on transfermate.com.